Welcome to my YouTube channel today. The 2025 Mazda MX-5 is here, and it continues the legacy of one of the most beloved roadsters in automotive history. With its sharp design, responsive handling, and refined interior, the latest MX-5 keeps the classic driving spirit alive while adding modern enhancements to meet today's expectations. Whether you're an enthusiast or just someone who loves spirited driving, this car promises an engaging experience behind the wheel. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 MX-5 stays true to its sleek and athletic form. It's instantly recognizable, but Mazda has made subtle updates that give it a more aggressive and refined appearance. The front features slimmer LED headlights and a revised grille that adds a sportier edge. Smooth body lines flow effortlessly from front to rear, emphasizing the car's low stance and aerodynamic design. The rear end has also been refreshed with sharper taillights and a cleaner bumper, making the overall profile look more sculpted and polished. New color options like zircon sand and deep crystal blue enhance the visual appeal, giving buyers more ways to personalize their ride. The compact proportions and lightweight body make it one of the most attractive small sports cars on the road today. Under the hood, the 2025 MX-5 continues to use the 2.0-liter Skyactiv-G engine, producing 181 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. While those numbers might not seem massive, the real magic lies in the car's lightweight construction and near-perfect 50-weight distribution. It weighs just under 2,400 pounds, which allows the engine's power to shine through with quick acceleration and nimble handling. The steering is precise, the suspension has been fine-tuned for better ride comfort without losing the sharp driving dynamics, and the overall balance makes it an absolute joy on twisty roads. Whether you go for the 6-speed manual or the automatic transmission, the MX-5 offers a level of driver engagement that's hard to find in this price range. Inside, the 2025 MX-5 has received several thoughtful updates to improve comfort and technology. A new 8.8-inch infotainment display now sits in the center, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The materials used throughout the cabin feel more premium, especially in the higher trims where Nappa leather seats are available. The interior remains tight, as expected from a two-seater roadster, but it's designed to be entirely focused on the driver. Controls are within easy reach, the seating position is low and sporty, and everything feels purposeful. As for pricing, the base sport trim of the 2025 MX-5 starts at around $30,000. The mid-range club trim, which includes performance upgrades and more tech features, is priced closer to $33,000. If you opt for the top-of-the-line Grand Touring model with luxury finishes and advanced safety tech, the price can go just beyond $36,000. Considering its build quality, engaging drive, and the pure fun it offers, the MX-5 remains one of the best value sports cars available today. If you want a lightweight, open-top driving machine that puts a smile on your face every time you get behind the wheel, the 2025 Mazda MX-5 continues to deliver in every way. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.